Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back to watching this video, especially because I have been gone for such a while. I know I have been a bit busy with schoolwork, guys, and I just wanted to get that part out of the way before I came back to making videos again on YouTube. But yes, I recently just discovered that we are now at 300, actually over 300 subscribers, guys. Like, I am so grateful to each and every one of you for subscribing. Like, you guys are the real ones. I really do appreciate the support so much. And if you are new and you just happen to stumble upon this video, I welcome you. I am Daisy. I make hair videos and I will be throwing in a bit of different content here and there, but the main purpose for this channel is really just to show my creativity through hair, my passion that I have for hair. So I welcome you. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, to leave a like, to share. Someone might need to see this. Someone is looking for a solution somewhere, and that's what I'm here for. I want to give solutions, you know, hair solutions. So please do subscribe. Thank you so much for joining me again for now. I know you guys see this video. I know you see my hair. I know you're acknowledging my. I know when you just saw this video that you were like, girl, that hair. I know, guys. This is probably the best work I have ever done. This must be the best work I have ever produced. I am so proud. I'm so ecstatic. I'm literally, as I'm talking, I'm running out of breath. I don't know why. But yes, guys, let's talk about this hair. I made this hair literally from scratch. The frontal that you see me wearing right now, down to the sewing in of the entire hair, I made from scratch. And this from scratch, oh my, and this video is just going to be showing you guys how I made it from scratch. So stay tuned. Please make sure you watch the entire video, and if you are done and you're inspired, please leave a comment. Maybe someone out there needs to see this. They need some encouragement, and they should know that you too can achieve this. It's so easy to achieve, guys. See you in the end. Mwah. I started the ventilating process off camera. As you can see in the video, I'm just showing you how much more I still have left to cover. So from the bundles that I have been working with, I cut a small piece. I then take that small piece and I cut off the tracking using a scissor. I then pull off any excess hair or shorter hair that I won't really be needing in this ventilating process. I then separate a small piece from the piece that I cut from the tracking, and then I fold it in half and then I make it wet. Now the process of making the hair wet before I start ventilating is really just to make it easy for me to knot as I ventilate, and also it just makes it a bit more it makes it easy to catch and for it to single out, if that makes sense. So for some of you that are familiar with the ventilating needles, you will know that that bronze holder is actually longer. Mine is short because it fell and broke, and I'm just this needle is just so sentimental to me. It's the first needle that I ever owned and I started the ventilating with, so I still use mine just as it is, but the bronze holder comes a bit longer. And for those who are familiar with the ventilating needle set, you will know that it comes in different sizes. Right there, the needle that I'm using is the 1-to-1, which is usually used to catch just one strand of hair when ventilating. For me, because of the speed that I was going at while I was ventilating, the needle might have been catching 2 or more strands, but that did not matter at the time because I really wanted this closure or this frontal to be a bit fuller. Okay guys, so I am done with ventilating like the entire frontal, and as you can see, like this in front here, I left a bit of space. This is where I'm going to leave this is where I'm going to put my baby hair, the small space here. So this front part I'm going to be using just a single string to fill up here, and then just to make the frontal look a bit more natural. I'm not sure whether I'm going to show you guys the whole process of making the entire wig. I don't know how I feel about that, and now we don't have light. I don't know, but if I do, I do. But yeah, this is how far we have come. Okay, so for the baby hair installation, I'm sure you noticed in the video how I sort of changed the position of knotting. I am not ventilating going all the way backwards now, but I'm laying the hair a bit on the side and a bit in front, just for it to look a bit more natural. And also, as I was installing this baby hair, I was trying not to fill in every hole, because you know it needs to look natural. Also, I was using the 1-to-1 needle like I mentioned before, but this time I was making sure I really do catch only one strand of hair in every hole that I ventilate in. So I am finally done with adding the baby hair, or the hair that I'm going to be using as baby hair, and she's looking quite beautiful. I don't think I'm going to show you guys how I make the full wig. I have so many videos on my channel, and if you have not seen them yet, be sure to go check them out. You can also head over to my Instagram, the Beauty Mark by Daisy, and see how I make full wig videos. But so far she's beautiful. Okay guys, so before I sew her onto a wig, I just wanted to show you guys how she's looking exactly. As you can see how the strings are. I said I was going to use for the baby hair, I was going to use like the 1-to-1 string, which means just one string per hole, and I was trying not to make it too bulky, because like it still has to look natural, in as much as it's a wig and it's not your own. We still have to make it look natural. And yeah, here you can see how full it is. I'm really so proud of this work, guys. It was exhausting, but I achieved what I was looking for. And this is how the inside looks like. Really neat, really well done. I made sure to pay so much attention to detail. So yeah, now I'm going to sew her on to a wig, and like I said, I don't think I'm going to film that process because I'm struggling with light, and I don't want to cause any sensitive viewers any sensitivity, if that makes sense. So yeah. The hair I used to make the full wig, of course, and to ventilate the frontal was body wave, but because I was ventilating the frontal hair appears to be a bit more straight. So just to even the hair out and to make the full wig look beautiful, I'm going to blow it out, and after that I am going to go ahead and try it on and show you guys how the whole look will be. I'm really excited. So far the whole wig is looking really beautiful. You can also tell the baby hair that I attempted to make here. This is how they are looking, and you can see I kind of tried to make it look a bit more natural. Of course, it's not sitting 100% on the mannequin head because the mannequin head is a bit small, but I'm sure when I try it on it will fit perfectly well. So let us go and try how the wig is going to look on me. Yay. And that is the final look, you guys. I was really so happy and so satisfied with this look. The wig turned out exactly how I really hoped it would be. You can see the baby hair right there. I didn't do too much to it. I still kind of just wanted to leave it like that. I felt like that was a good look as well. I made this wig in such a way that you could either use glue or not use glue at all. Right there in the video, I did not use any glue. I did kind of blow the hair out, but I still went in with a tongue again to kind of just revive some curls, just to give it that bounce, and it really turned out so beautiful. And that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in for yet another video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Just say I go pull up on you. Just say I go what? Call on me, you know say I go pull up on you.